Justice Secretary Leila de Lima said that last September 1, the Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 3 became one of 4 targets by a group that was also planning to attack establishments allegedly owned or operated by Chinese businessmen in the Philippines.
Sa tingin ho namin, parang yung magplano nila kahapon na abort, na foil ng NBI ay parang initial salvo ng kanilang mga ng operations din nila. Hindi lang sa NAIA Terminal 3, kundi sa may balak din dapat sila kahapon din po sa SM Mall of Asia in Pasay City. Balak din nilang magsagawa ng strafing of the Chinese Embassy and the DMCI building.
Arrested by the NBI were Grand Juror Pipito Guerrero, Emmanuel San Pedro, and Sonny Yohanan, alleged members of the USAFE, which has expressed dismay over the government's soft stance against China.
Hindi sila kontento, frustrated daw po sila dun sa nagiging stance ng pamahalaan kontra sa China, na para sa kanila masyado daw hong malambot ang administrasyon.
After the series of attacks, De Lima said the group would have read a manifesto, a copy of which would have been sent to various media entities as well. Aris Joseph Regina, Inquirer.net.